Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Wig, which is by lacewigsby.com. I'm just assuming that because that's what's on the box. This is Wig, lacewigsby.com. So yeah, thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, if you want to see all the details and the specs on this fabulous hair, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit from Wig, aka Lace Wig by. Today I have their Kinky straight texture in 18 inches. I am unboxing, so it does come with a comb as well as some combs for your wig, as well as this weaving cap, as long as a wig cap, and of course it does come with the unit. So here's how the unit looks. It is a beautiful Kinky straight texture. So here's the cap construction. It is average to big head friendly. I do fall in the big head category. Here is the construction. So it is a full lace wig, so it has lace all throughout the wig, and it has no combs and no adjustable straps, which I know is kind of crazy because I'm just like, I don't really know about that. But anywho, yeah, that's me checking to see like where are the combs. But yeah, here is the hairline. So now that I have washed and conditioned the unit, I also bleached the knots, and I also dyed this hair black because I felt like it would look a lot better. I am going to go in and do like a blowout on it, and I'm going to use my Revlon blow dry brush to do this because I felt like it would go faster than a regular blow dryer because this hair density is very thick. So I did want to let you guys know what I did to the hair as well. I did go in and bleach it. Bleached the knots, and then I dyed it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. After I bleached the knots, they showed up really well, so I was really excited about that because I thought I was gonna have to go in and do a lot of plucking, but just bleaching the knots really did help. But yeah, I'm gonna let the video finish out, and then of course you guys know the video will finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this hair, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so number one, this texture is beautiful. If you guys don't know, Kinky is one of my absolute favorite textures of hair. I feel like it looks very natural. Like I feel like, you know, like this could be my hair, you know. Like I just feel so good and confident in this hair. I feel confident in every hair that I wear though, don't get it twisted, but it's just something about the Kinky texture that just looks very natural in my personal opinion. on me because it does like mimic like my hair type. So yeah. So anywho, let's get right into the details about this hair. So when I first received the hair, you guys seen in the previous clips, it was the exact same texture. I did not straighten it out or anything, just because of the simple fact that I wanted to keep this hair in its natural texture, just to see how I would like it in its natural texture, and I love it. Now this is a full density of hair, okay? So she is definitely not your summer girl, okay? This is more like fall and winter, because she is like I'm burning up right now, okay? Like I am literally burning up. I'm so glad that my face is being good to me and staying in place. It's the NARS, what foundation is this? The Natural Radiant Longwear. So if you do decide to wear her, make sure you and you're gonna wear makeup, make sure you get this here NARS, okay? Because my makeup is staying in place even though like I am burning up. So anywho, she is a high density, so you know, you want to keep that in mind. This is all the hair to the front. Now, as you guys seen, I did just go ahead and blow dry this hair, kind of just do like a blowout on it, because I wanted it to be a little bit straight but not like super straight. So that's why I went ahead and did that, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I definitely see myself, well, I will be rocking this in the fall time because this hair is so nice. The hair is very natural. I do experience minimal shedding. I did get a lot of tangling before I did wash the unit, but as far as, you know, tangling, no. Like this hair is nice. Granted, you are going to experience tangling because it is a longer unit, so I mean, you should just expect it, especially with this texture. But however, I have not experienced a lot so far. As you guys can see, I can rub my fingers through the hair. It's very easy and manageable, and also this hair is just extremely soft. Like, I don't know if I mentioned that, but this hair is so freaking soft. Now, I also wanted to let you guys know that this is a full lace wig. Now, if you guys know me, you guys know I do not utilize that feature, just because I don't really like to style my wigs too much, because my hairline does protrude out here. But if you want to, you could definitely go ahead and style this unit in so many different ways, because it is a full lace unit, which gives you absolute all control and versatility with the unit. So yeah, I wanted to let you guys know that. So yeah, overall, I really do like this unit. I've had a very, very nice experience with this unit. I would definitely recommend it. The hairline is impeccable. So I did not go in and pluck or tweeze or anything. I did just go in and spray my what is that, the Airbrush Legs by Sally Hansen. I just sprayed that in the parting area. Now, I could have went in and plucked it just a little bit more in this area. That's the only thing. It does need a little bit of customization, but as far as the rest of it, it's not like super dense. You can definitely see the parting area, and that's one of my favorite features about this unit, because the parting is so nice, and the lace is also soft. So yeah, I really do like this unit. Like, it's really gorgeous. Not only does it have my favorite texture, but it also have like knots that are not like super dense. So I really do like that. But yeah, overall, divas, I definitely give this unit a thumbs up, because she is just gorgeous. She's full. She's here to slay, okay? Like, look at how gorgeous this texture is. Like, and the softness, like, I wish I could just like let you guys, like, you want to touch it, like, because it's just so soft, and I really do like this unit. So I would definitely recommend her. If you fabulous girls are interested in this unit, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.